Titanic Deluxe Golf Belek's all-inclusive package is designed for travelers who want premium variety without being boxed into buffet-only dining or limited drink menus. The main buffet restaurant covers every meal, including a late-night spread, while daytime snacks are available from patisseries, beachside waffle stands, and multiple snack corners across the resort. Drinks are included at over 10 bars and cafes, and the selection goes well beyond local beer and house wine. You'll find international spirits like Johnny Walker, Gordon's Gin, Havana Club, and more, all part of the standard plan, not just for premium guests. Whether you're lounging at the beach, the Aqua Bar, or the Irish pub-style Jacaranda Bar, drinks are on the house. But it's worth noting that a la carte restaurants come at an extra charge and require reservations. I'll cover more details and pricing as we go, but if you want to book your stay now, use my special discount link below, giving you 10% off for a limited time only. Titanic Deluxe Golf Belek sits in the Kadria area of Sarek, around 35 minutes from Antalya Airport, with private transfer or resort-arranged pickup available for an extra charge. The hotel operates its own shuttle boat and beach transfer service to get to the beach, so you're never more than a few minutes from the sand. What makes the location especially useful is how close it is to major attractions without feeling chaotic. The Land of Legends theme park is less than 10 minutes away, and there are over 5 championship golf clubs within a 5-kilometer radius. For families or couples who want to blend relaxation with activities, this area offers more flexibility than being tucked away in a remote resort cluster. Shops, restaurants, and nightlife in Kadria town are within a short drive or taxi ride. It's a smart location if you want a resort stay that doesn't trap you in one place. For couples or two-person stays, the deluxe room with pool view is a well-balanced option that offers more than just the basics. You'll have a private balcony overlooking the pool, a full bathtub, and a bright, modern interior with subtle luxury touches. With the 10% discount already applied via the link below, the all-inclusive rate comes to around €357 per person per night, a fair price for the level of comfort and the setting you get. If you're traveling as a group of 3, the Maldive House swim-up room adds extra appeal with direct pool access right from your terrace. Inside, there's a queen bed and sofa bed setup, plus 52 square meters of space to spread out. It's ideal for families with an older child or adults who want a more relaxed, semi-private experience. The cost works out to about €381 per person per night, with that same discount applied. At the top end, the Design Pool Villa offers full privacy with a golf course view, a private swimming pool, and spacious indoor-outdoor living areas. With 1 bedroom and a sofa bed in the living room, it sleeps up to 3 guests, and comes to around €707 per person per night when fully occupied. It's definitely a splurge, but one built for uninterrupted luxury and quiet surroundings. For guests who like a resort with range, not just relaxation, the amenities here are built to impress. A complimentary river shuttle takes you to the resort's private beach in just 7 minutes, giving you that beachfront experience without staying directly on the coast. Within the main resort, there's an Olympic-sized pool, a second heated indoor pool, and a full water park zone with slides and splash areas that cater to both adults and kids. If you're more into sports, there's a dedicated football field, multiple tennis courts, a basketball court, and even a bowling alley, all available to guests without booking outside excursions. For downtime, there's a full-service spa with a Turkish hammam, sauna, and massage menu, though treatments are charged separately. Previous guests have reported that a massage costs €100, but this may be subject to change. Families will also appreciate the on-site kids club, soft play zones, and childcare services, which offer real flexibility for adults looking to enjoy quiet time on their own. Evenings at the resort aren't just about grabbing a drink and calling it a night. The entertainment lineup is diverse and professionally produced. The open-air Riverside Show Center hosts full-scale performances with live music, dance, and acrobatic shows that rotate throughout the week, especially during the summer season. These aren't low-budget filler acts. They're choreographed productions with lighting, staging, and a festival-style atmosphere. You can also catch DJ sets, live bands, and casual activities like karaoke or quiz nights, depending on the season. In cooler months, indoor venues take over with lounge music and small-scale performances, keeping things engaging even without warm evenings. The Teeny Kids Club runs evening activities like mini discos and themed play sessions, giving kids their own fun while parents enjoy the nighttime shows. Whether you're drawn to energy or ambience, the schedule avoids repetition and gives you a reason to stay out long after dinner. The main restaurant offers a changing daily menu with live cooking stations, international dishes, and plenty of fresh regional specialties. So even if you're here for a week, meals stay interesting. What really sets the experience apart are the daytime food options tucked throughout the resort. From riverside patisseries and beachside waffle stands to 24-hour comfort food at the bistro, it's easy to eat well on your own schedule without needing to dress up or plan ahead. If you're considering the a la carte restaurants, expect an added cost, but also a noticeable upgrade in experience, and children get a 50% discount at most venues. Prices range from €18 per person for Turkish or Italian, up to €52 at the Beef Steakhouse, with the teppanyaki menu at €46 and seafood at $40. One standout is the boat a la carte, which runs €200 per person for a private dining experience on the river. If you're planning to visit outside of peak season, there are a few trade-offs worth keeping in mind. The Aqua Park shuts down from November through April, and larger outdoor shows are replaced with a smaller-scale indoor program. Most of the resort remains open year-round, but the overall energy is noticeably quieter in winter. The resort size is also something to factor in. It's expansive, which means more variety, but also longer walks between your room, dining, and activities. For guests with mobility issues or those traveling with very young children, it's worth requesting a centrally located room at the time of booking. Compared to other 5-star all-inclusive resorts in Belek, this one consistently feels like it delivers more for what you pay, especially if you're booking during the limited-time discount window. The level of variety, from pools to restaurants to on-site sports, means you rarely feel the need to leave the resort or spend extra elsewhere. Where it stands out is how well the base package holds up. You can enjoy high-end food from multiple outlets, premium drinks, a private beach, and full daily entertainment, all without upgrading your room or purchasing extras. Many similarly priced resorts offer less variety or quietly restrict access to key features unless you pay more. This resort is ideal for travelers who want a full-scale resort-first holiday without needing to plan excursions or spend extra to fill their days. If you're a couple looking for a premium all-inclusive with strong food, a relaxing atmosphere, and enough variety to keep things interesting over a full week, this is a solid fit. Families with children will also find it well-suited. The kids' facilities are extensive, the water park is built into the resort, and there's enough entertainment to keep different age groups happy without feeling like a theme park. But Land of Legends isn't too far away if that's what you're after. Book your stay via the link below to grab that 10% discount before it's gone.